Okay, so now I'm going to create the t-shirt of my character. Just going to get a normal cube. Now I'm going to add some visions. I'll add 4 on each side. I'll just make it vague so it actually fits the model, or the drawing a bit more. And a bit too big, so a tiny bit more, a tiny bit smaller. That's it. Now go to the top. Obviously the top needs to be a bit more wider. Probably more like that. And the side is not too bad either, maybe a bit more that way. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just delete the top 4 faces. Top 4 faces, delete them. Now I'm just going to move the points out a bit. Making sure I actually only grab the ones at the top. So this should be the t-shirt opening. So I just do this quite roughly, just for the video. But on the model I do it with more time and whatnot. This is just to show you on the method which I will be using for it. So at the moment, more or less the box with opening at the top. Now I'm just going to go and define it a bit. Forcing the front, that's probably can go like that a bit. Maybe up a bit more, and a bit more. So now I've done that, and then I have to go to the top and just get a bit more. Kind of like that. Just move that up a bit. Put that in a bit. Then I'll just do that throughout the model. Now I'm going to go into this view. More or less do the same. So that would be something like that. So as you can see, the naked, well, the hole for the head, it probably need redoing again. Probably should have done that actually after this bit. It would have made a bit more sense. So I'm just gonna quickly do this. So when I was actually modelling another part of the model, I had soft selection on. That confused me quite a bit because that would move an area rather than just one force. Yeah, that was a bit confusing. So now just make the t-shirt a bit. So as I'm putting more detail in it, I will need more points. To do that is I'm just gonna go to edges, grab all the edges around the bottom of the model. While I'm here, I'm also going to delete the bottom faces, I don't need them for the t-shirt. So just delete them like that. And if I select all the edges, all there, just going to straighten them up. And I'll put them, extrude it down a bit, put it in a bit maybe, that way. I'll edit that bit in a couple of seconds after I finish extruding that one down there. That should be good enough for the moment. Now I'm just going to move the points around to give it a bit more definition. Then bring them down a bit, bring that down, so I can add more detail in a minute. Okay, so now to the top. So I'm in the top side view. So now I just want to make this just a bit more equal. Something like that. Now if I get to the front, yep, so that's what it looked like at this moment in time. Now, I'm going to be doing, if I set them point, it just selects them ones, which is good, so they can just be moved down a bit. Then I'll move that over to there, that over to there. I'll keep checking in this view to make sure it's doing what I want it to do. Then just move them a bit to the side. Okay. Maybe make that a bit bigger. Changing it. So I'm going to go back because I like them changes which I made. At the moment, very basic, see what we got. So what I would do now is I would just what I could have done to make it easier is split it down the middle, which I do now. So just delete that half, then later on I can just delete the other half. Just mirror the other half onto the other side. I just line that with that. And by doing this, it just, you have less vectors to move around. And it just makes life a lot easier. So now I can just move them around. So now I got all the views just to make sure it's doing which I want it to do. I think that I want them to be there. Then what I do, I extrude the edges out after So when I was doing that, I'd actually only go over one point at a time. So I didn't notice that, so I'm going to have to just quickly go back and quickly change that. So grab more like that. Look in that view, they're all grabbed. Now just make the change. Same again. Quickly check in there. Yep, that's fine. Then just move it. Okay, so them two selected, so I do it in that window instead. Put it out like that. Then I do it in the perspective view. Put it out a bit. Then maybe bring that out a tiny bit. And bring that out a tiny bit as well. So that's what it looks like from the top. Might just make that a bit more of a round kind of shape. And I'll add more detail in that bit in a couple of seconds. That is a bit sharp. So just put that in a tiny bit. Okay, so that's half of it there. So very simple box model. Now what I'm going to do is just select the faces for the arm. So it'll be around there-ish. Then if I just stretch it out, it's roughly around there. So now I'll just extrude it out a bit. Making sure that window looks okay. I'll straighten it up a bit. Then press enter. Then that's extrude done. Then if I look in this window, you can see it just there. Once again, I won't need the faces for the arm, so I can just delete them. Which is very simple. Yeah. Then I'm just going to keep it extruding this until I have the shape which I want. So what happened there is I actually pressed, I was unforced to seize, and I pressed the extrude button, which you can't do, as it's, yeah, does that, so I have to go into edge mode, make sure that I got all the edges which I want, so all of them, make sure none of us are selected, then I extrude out, then I can rotate it, spin out a bit more, down a bit more maybe, rotate, maybe make it a bit smaller, down a bit, then that's very basic arm. Now I can add, just go around and just add little details to it. So just move out a bit. Some places I might need to move it in a bit more. Yes, that's a very basic model for the t-shirt. Yeah. Okay, so now to add detail, I can add a Jeep tool. So now I can just add some detail, maybe in the chest area, and I'm going to need a bit more detail around the actual sleeve of the arm. Then I can go back into my front view and just edit the points a bit, just give it a bit more definition. So these points will need to come out a bit. show them too. Press 3, so that will look like when it's moved out. So it needs a bit more definition here. Yeah, I'm gonna undo that. I'm just gonna add an extra loop just there. Adding more polygons to the model is fine. But the more you add, the more the hardware, which, to be honest, if it's for an animation, then the animation software, whichever you use, which probably will be Maya, has to deal with it. So, back in the 90s, if like 2 made it, you'd have to use a very low polygon count because the systems wouldn't be able to handle the high polygons. So it depends what the project depends on how many polygons you can use. Yeah, we do. So just can add edge loop tools to give it more detail, and then just move the points to define it a bit more. So around the neck, I can add some detail. So I tried to select more, didn't select the parts I wanted, and then just recheck to make sure only the neck is selected, and then extrude it down a bit, not too far. Enter to complete it. Yep. Okay. So click off it. That would do the same job. Okay, using edge tool, select them all, press G to repeat the action, then go down a bit more. So I just press through to see what it would look like in the soften mode. So go back to 1, because that is where you should do your editing. Now I'm in wireframe mode. Now just put it in a tiny bit maybe. Then click off the tool, then press 5 for your standard mode. So that would look like at this moment in time. So I'm going to stop this recording. I'm going to go and just give it more detail. Then I'll come back and show you how I'll mirror it onto the other side.